Hello friends, and welcome to Bhartiye products. Forget about flimsy bends and frustrated muscles. This heavy-duty pipe-bending machine in gear tackles even the thickest pipes with ease, delivering consistently clean and wrinkle-free results every time. Its user-friendly design guarantees reliable performance, making it the go-to choice for diverse applications. Want to craft sturdy gym equipment, seamless sewing pipes, powerful silencer pipes, or secure railing pipes? This versatile machine handles them all, no sweat. So ditch the limitations and dive into your next project with confidence, knowing you have the muscle and precision needed to bend pipes like a pro. If you like our machine, so contact us and also visit our website for more related products.